Magandang araw at welcome po sa ating channel at ito ang Kwentong Batutoy. Simula ngayon, magiging reaction channel na tayo. Magre-react tayo sa mga nakakatakot na mga videos na may mga kakaiba at mga mysterious na mga content. Ito yung una nating video ngayong araw na to, 10 scary videos for full screen terror ng Nuke's Top 5 YouTube channel. Kung gusto niyo panoorin yung original link, nandun sa may description ng video natin na to. Maraming salamat po at mag-umpisa na tayo.
A woman named Ray says that her family has experienced many strange things since they moved into their new home. Ray says that the house's basement is especially creepy. She says that even on warm days, the temperature down there is always freezing. And she says that she feels like something is watching her when she's down there. Even weirder, the family often hears strange, unexplained sounds coming from the basement. But things in their house get even weirder after Ray buys her son Andrew a creepy large Elmo balloon. You see, the balloon seems to move around the house with a mind of its own.
Kakaiba to ah. So yung lobo daw na binili nila gumagalaw na mag-isa. Ano kaya meron dito? Tingnan natin ha.
Babe, come here.
Hala. Nakita niya. Gumalaw yung paa. Nakatakot naman to. Tuloy natin.
It's the balloon. It's just keeps going down to the basement.
Inexplicably, the balloon often just seems to head directly toward their basement door.
Hala. Parang gusto niya bumaba doon sa may basement ng bahay nila. Ano kaya meron doon sa basement na yan?
Literally stopped at the basement door again.
Asawa niya may hawak ng bat eh. Bakit bat?
Weirdly, Ray says that the balloon will only enter the basement door if her son follows after it.
Hala. So yung lobo daw, pinapasunod yung anak nila doon sa loob ng basement. O doon sa entrance ng basement kasi nakasara yung pinto eh. Hala.
Andrew.
So the obvious thought here is, well, it's just a balloon caught in a draft and doing balloon stuff.
Pwede.
But things get even weirder.
O, tama na naman yung sinabi niya rito. Pwede nga baka ano lang yun, yung hangin lang sa loob ng bahay. Kasi kung papansinin nyo, yung bahay nila rito ay sarado, mga bintana. Siguro pag may yung mga ganyan, di ba, pag sarado bintana, may parang air pressure niya pag nagbukas ka ng mga pinto or bintana sa ibang part ng kwarto. So baka sabi nung ni Nuke's Top 5, baka yung ano nga, air pressure lang yun o yung hangin lang kaya nagpapagalaw yung lobo. Pero ang tanong doon, bakit laging papunta doon sa area na yun? Tingnan natin.
Because it seems the creepy Elmo balloon isn't content to only roam the downstairs. One night, the family dogs start going nuts, and Ray goes to investigate. What she finds chills her to her core.
Babe.
Ano ba tong lugar na to? Ito na ba yung basement nila o baba lang to ng bahay nila? Hindi ko alam kung... Pero may aso eh. So hindi siguro basement to kasi hindi mo na may ilalagay aso mo sa basement mo. So baka lower part ng bahay nila to. Napunta yung lobo dun.
Quiet.
Ala, makyat.
Quiet.
Ano makyat? Wala naman tali eh. Gumagalaw siya mag-isa. Hoy, namatay yung ilaw. Bakit? Ano nangyari yun? O pwedeng pinatay lang din nila yun. So, baka nga.
So now the obvious question is, why doesn't she just pop the balloon, throw it in the trash, and be done?
Oo nga naman.
But
Ba't di na lang yan pinasabog yung lobo, sunugin na lang yan. Inahayaan pa nilang gumalagala sa loob ng bahay nila. Kung kayo ba, mag-comment nga kayo sa baba kung anong gagawin nyo kung may ganyang lobo sa bahay nyo.
Ray says that her son is very attached to the balloon and refuses to let them take it away. So the creepy Elmo balloon stays. But Ray will soon seriously regret this decision.
O, yan na naman. Paano magano? Ayun. Bakit yung direction niya lagi papunta doon? Ba't liliko pa siya eh? Ito yung parang ano nila, di ba? Hallway, tapos liliko siya doon sa may papuntang basement lagi. Ayan, mapunta na doon. Bukas yung basement nila. Nako. Meron dito. Bakit? Ayun. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Did you see it? A strangely shaped forehead seems to be
Ay,
peeking around the...
nako. Ano ba yan? Ulo. Bakit nandun sa gilid? Yung ulo nandun sa may gilid ng pintuan eh. Hindi ko napansin. Kala ko ilaw. Kala ko ilaw lang siya. Yung bulb lang ba? Sinabi ni Pinoy daw, forehead daw pala. Ang laki ng forehead nito ah. Taan natin.
top edge of the basement door. When
Ayan, no?
slowed down, we can even see what looks like a bizarre set of dark eyes
Ay.
and the bridge of a nose.
Ulo. Baka ganun siya eh. Ay. Ganun siya sa gilid doon ng pinto.
So is Ray's house haunted by an entity that is manipulating this Elmo balloon?
Ayan, no?
Or is it all just an elaborate hoax? You decide. What the f...
Whew. Nakakatakot din yun. Hindi ko naisip na may lalabas dun eh. I-expect ko yung lobo eh. Meron palang ulo dun. Pero pwede nga namang hoax yun. Hindi naman natin alam. Kasi kung, di ba, kung isipin mo yung normal na tao, eh, hayaan mo ba yung lobo? Yung nga kanina sinabi ko, yung gumagala-gala yung lobo sa bahay mo na weirdo na nga. Tapon ko na yun eh. Okay, so next video tayo. Number 9.
just happened? Now, these next clips are videos that have no real explanation. They were either uploaded without a source or info, or the people in the video just can't explain what happened either. So, in this first video, a woman is riding her bike down a street in Brazil, and then, what the f just happened?
Brazil. Ano meron? Oh, wala. Kita niyo yun? Ang babae parang hinila. Ano nangyari? Lumipad yung bike niya. Lumipad yung bike niya. Oh, yun.
Now, just a quick note for YouTube content guidelines here. This woman was not seriously hurt. And she actually falls off the bike right behind this post right there. And then the bike takes off for the moon, apparently. Now, this was sent in as a paranormal video, but I'm thinking the bike got hung up on a cable or something. But no idea why it flies 50 feet in the air. So, you tell me.
Tingin ko na hat may ano to, may wire siguro doon o may kable na nasabit ng isang sasakyan, yung puti na sasakyan na kumanan. Tapos na, kasi nakatingin yung babae, parang napahinto siya ng kumanan yung sasakyan eh. Tingin ko yun ang nangyari dito, may cable lang to, nahatak siya, nasabit yung bisikleta niya, kaya nung umabante yung kotse doon, nahatak siya. Yun lang siguro explanation dito. Okay lang.
Now, this next clip comes from the podcast Grown Up Kids, hosted by brother and sister Seth and Jesse.
Third video na pala to.
I'm Jesse,
I'm Seth.
and we're siblings,
We are.
and we have a podcast.
It's not a paranormal podcast, and they've never posted or even mentioned anything supernatural. But then one day, while recording, this.
I am stupid good at the game.
Oh. Parang dinosaur yun ah. Parang tunog ng dinosaur sa Jurassic Park.
What was that?
I don't know, but it scared me.
Yeah. Wait, I'm being so serious.
I don't know, but I'm scared.
Taka sila
That
eh.
sounded like a dinosaur.
Oo, yun nga. Parang ang dinosaur, di ba? Ang sabi ng babae, parang dinosaur nga daw.
What do we do?
I don't even.
Tawa na lang sila eh.
I can't even begin to imagine what.
With pipes or something?
Okay, so it either sounded like.
I thought someone was playing music. Thank
I-
God you were here, because
No.
if that happened while I was home alone, I would have literally put my.
As you can tell from their reaction, Jesse and Seth have no clue what they just heard, but it totally freaks them out. To
Yun
this
na nga
day,
eh.
they say they have no idea what this sound was. And
Kaya
Jesse
yun.
says that she has never heard this sound in her home before this incident or since. So you tell me what you think this sound is.
Baka may naligaw na dinosaur sa bahay nila.
I am stupid good at the game.
Ayan o. Ayan, parang dinosaur nga, di ba?
What was that?
This next video from Brazil was uploaded without a
Parang ang dinosaur. Baka ano lang yun. Parang ang dinosaur, mali natin. Next video na to.
description, and the uploader didn't respond to any of the thousands of comments and questions. Now, I have many questions of my own, but we'll get to that after the video. Check it out.
Ano naman to? Yung buntot? Ano yan? Ahas? O naglalakad daw. Hindi makatayo si nanay
Ele
nila.
tá seguindo! Ui, gente! Olha o pelo dele! Não! Você tá louco com a mão assim, cara?
Hinawakan ng tatay. Tatay ba to?
Menino, tira a mão lá, que pegou!
Natanggal buntot. Parang buntot yung natanggal.
Não põe a mão, meu! Não põe a mão! Não põe! Ui,
Ano yan?
mexeu. Olha o cheiro que tá. Por que você mexeu? Olha o pegou.
Ah,
Jesus!
parang may tenga. May ulo.
Menino do céu, pega isso daí e joga pra lá com a peneira.
Para siyang ulo.
Pega isso logo. Ai, tá amarrado. Tá amarrado, puxa pela corda, ó. Ui!
Ay,
So,
maskara.
something weird and kind of
Maskara. Parang wolf mask yata. Laruan siguro ng mga bata yan. Baka nilaglag dyan ba? Kaya siguro nahulog dyan.
scary
Kala
is
ko
sitting
naman
at
kung
the
ano.
bottom of the pool. But what is it? How did it get there? And more importantly, how do you even get in the pool and not notice that thing?
Okay, next video na tayo. Spooky tale. Tale?
Maggie Gann says that she has experienced a few strange
Ganda to,
things
ah.
around her house.
Ganda tong babae to. Sino siya? Maggie?
So in the upstairs of my house, there's 2 rooms. Both of the doors open and close all the time
Hala.
by itself.
So one day,
Hey!
Maggie is
Nagulat naman ako sa... Nagulat ako sa pusa. Tingnan mo may tsura ng pusang to. Nagulat naman ako dito. Uy! Black pa naman. Black cat. Nagulat.
casually filming a cute video of her cat Onyx, when suddenly something happens
Laki.
that is truly bizarre.
Oh! Alala. Ano nangyari? Parang hinatak yung buntot. Eh, parang hinatak yung buntot ng pusa. Eh, siya lang naman yan nata nandyan. Wala naman tali.
Now, at first, Maggie doesn't even notice anything odd and even laughs at what she thinks is just the cat being weird. Or, well, just being a cat. But when she watches the video back, she notices that the cat's tail seems to be yanked by some invisible force. The video went viral, and no one can really explain just what happened to the cat. But what do you think?
May humatak no, parang may something na humatak sa buntot ng pusa. Kaya natawa pa siya. Okay, next video na tayo.
The house was remodeled from the remains of an old church, and it was built right on top of what used to be an old graveyard.
Ah, lumang bahay. Luma siyang bahay na nakatayo sa lumang simbahan. Na siyempre, di ba yung mga lumang simbahan, yung mga simbahan ng unang panahon, di ba yung katabi nila yung sementeryo o sila mismo yung nandun mismo sa sementeryo yung tinatayo yung simbahan.
Shortly after moving in, Alex begins to hear the creepy sound of someone walking through her home.
Wala?
But when she looks, she finds nothing and no one to explain these strange footsteps. Late one night, Alex is lying in bed when she suddenly hears something that is downright chilling.
J'entends le piano.
Wala. Tumutunog yung piano. Oh, mga pusa. What's going on? Naku, meron dito. Ano to? Sala. Ah, ito yung piano. Ito yung piano. Yung umutugtog, wala namang tao. Ano ba yan? Nakakatakot. Nakakatakot na. Ay! Gumalaw eh. Walang yun to. Ulat ako dun ah. Wala, gumalaw yung tuntun. Rocking chair. Dilim naman ng bahay niya.
Alex hears a child's voice calling out, "Mama?" from somewhere, even though her son is fast asleep in his room. She hears the voice again from downstairs, "Mama," and she goes down to investigate. Alex is horrified when she discovers the piano in her living room is playing.
Nakakatakot yun ah. Biglang gumalaw yung tumilapon yung libro pagpasok ko sa kwarto. May nakakagulat yung rocking chair. Nagulat ako sa gumagalaw, rocking chair pala yun. Nangyaya talaga. Okay. Next video tayo.
One night, Alex returns home from walking their dog. Her son is away at his dad's and her home should be empty. But as she heads toward the
Karugtong ito nung video kanina. Same na bahay. Nung nilalakad doon niya yung aso niya. Bakit naman kasi gabi?
house, she notices something that sends a chill down her spine.
Ano yun? May tao. May tao doon sa bintana. Ano kaya yun? Baka naman yung anak niya. Hindi kaya?
Сильно, блядь. Сильно, блядь.
Patay sinding ilaw.
Спасибо.
Siyempre. So yun na nga, may nakita siya doon parang tao doon sa bintana ng bahay niya. Kung ako doon, magpapadala na ako ng palit, papabless ko na yun eh. May haunting yung bahay niya.
Quiet evening at home. Suddenly,
Itong next video pala natin na to eh, same house pa din. Same house pa din to nangyari to sa kanina.
this happens.
Sabi mo siya.
Pusa, may nakita yung pusa. Laruan? Ang dilim. Ang dilim ng bahay niya. Ito teddy bear. Gumagalaw yung paa ng teddy bear. Ba't naman kasi yung andam dito? Bakit ang dilim-dilim ng bahay niya? So, titipid siguro sa kuryente. Mahal ang kuryente ngayon eh. Yun, may shadow. Ano ng pusa eh. Naramdaman ng pusa kanina. May gumagalaw to. Bintana siya.
A teddy bear and her son's
O yun nga, may gumagalaw yung teddy bear. Naramdaman galing ng pusa, naramdaman niya, no? Yung maganda talaga, may alaga kang hayop sa bahay. Naramdaman nila yung mga ganyang kakaiba. Bukod sa bantayan, kagalaw sa mga magnanakaw. Next video tayo. Ang nangyari, same bahay na naman to. Same bahay to. Ano yan? Bumukas mag-isa yung drawer. Oh. Sumara mag-isa yung pinto. Ang dilim, buksan mo yung ilaw. Yan. Ito na naman yung kwarto. Ito na naman yung kwarto kanina. Kwarto ng bata. O may pusa. Nandun yung mga pusa. Ano yun? Ano may tumatakbo? Matakot yung pusa ah.
With everything that has happened, Alex believes that her home
Takot yung pusa eh. Ano to? Haunted nga talaga tong bahay na to. Dapat ito either lumipat na siya o magpa-bless na siya ng bahay niya. Okay, next video. Ito, next video na to. Iba naman to. Room 205.
A woman named Tracy works at a mid-sized hotel in Pekin, Illinois. Lately, she says that many of the hotel guests have had complaints about one particular room.
Okay.
So itong babae, ito daw yung parang ano ba to? Parang siya yung nagtatrabaho dito, nagbabantay dito sa hotel. Meron daw particular na kwarto na kinakatakutan ng mga guest dito. O yung mga dating guest na rin.
So I'm here at work tonight, and we have workers that come here that work on the railroad. I checked in 5 of them, and the second floor is where they usually go because that's where all the king suites are at. Well, they're all saying, please don't put me in room 205.
Ano meron doon sa room 205 na yun?
I'm like, okay, what's wrong with 205? And not one of them would tell me what was wrong with 205. So, how about me and you, all of us, go up to room 205 and see why no one wants to rent that room.
So Tracy filmed
So yun na nga, checkin niya kung bakit. Yung mga nagtatrabaho pa lang mga ano rito, trabahador na dito nagbubuk sa hotel, kinakatakutan yung room 205. Bakit kaya? Tingnan natin.
as she heads up to check out the hotel's mysterious room 205.
Okay, walking up there now. Going up the steps. All right.
Eto na.
It's like really cold in here, though.
Kulat naman ako sa pintuan.
Like, really cold. And the air's not even on. I mean, I don't see anything. So maybe we can sit. Yeah, the air and stuff's not on. Maybe sit in the dark.
Bakit mo papatay?
See if we can hear
Bakit mo papatayin yung ilaw?
something. I don't know. I don't know what else to do. I'm gonna probably lose all my views or my people watching, but okay, let's do this.
Hey!
All right, no, I'm out.
Tracy quickly finds out
May nagsalita. Pero pwede rin namang ano to, pero kung ikaw lang mag-isa dun, patayin mo ba yung ilaw dun? Mag-isa ka sa hotel na yan, ipapatayin mo ng ilaw sa isang kwarto na kinakatakutan naman ng mga tao. Next video.
hospital visitor. Reddit user Chosen12803 posted to the Nukes Top 5 subreddit about a strange experience that his sister had while visiting a hospital in Panama back in 2020.
So, sa hospital daw to. Isang hospital daw ito sa Panama. Itong video na to. 2020. So, height ito nung pandemic nung time na yun. So, yun yung nagpadala. Yung kapatid niyang sender nitong video na to.
Chosen's sister was at the hospital to visit her ailing father. Now, this was during the peak of so hospital hallways were cleared out of all but close family members and essential personnel. However, the woman says that even though she was all alone in the hospital hall, she kept feeling very odd, almost as if someone was watching her. Then she spotted something very creepy at the end of the hall.
So, itong time na to, since panahon nga to nung 2020, di ba? Nag-iisa siya sa hospital na yan kasi nga isolated. Isolation, di ba isolated yung mga hospital, hindi ka pwede pumunta basta-basta unless nagtatrabaho ka dun. So mga kamag-anak lang nung mga may sakit na nandun. So at tatay yata niya, yun na naka-confine dito. So nag-iisa siya dyan. Ito yung video nung nakita niya dun sa hospital. Ayun. Ano yun? May sumilip? May sumisilip eh. Ayun o. Kaputi.
Some strange white figure seems to be peeking out at her from the end of the hallway.
May sumisilip.
She films as she heads right toward the bizarre peeking shape.
Nilapitan mo pa? Bakit mo nilapitan? Nagsalita.
When she checks the spot, there's nothing there. Just an empty hall and some medical equipment. But without knowing, her camera did pick up a strange little unexplained moan. almost like a child.
Yun nga eh. Yun oh.
But she still can't
Ngayon, may narinig kayo doon. Ako, may narinig ako yung parang, nagsasalita. Okay.
shake that creepy feeling that she has about the hospital hallway. She films herself as something
Ayan na naman. Ito pa yung isang video na... Ito pa yung isang parang karugtong na tong video nung nagpakita uli sa kanya.
seems to move her hair around. Now, her hair moves around a bit, but maybe that was just a draft. And her hair is not where you should be looking in this clip because did you see it?
Ayun. May sumisilip mo sa dulo.
Back down the empty hall just over her shoulder, you can once again see some strange tall white figure peeking out at her.
May sumisilip
But
doon
this
sa may
time, she doesn't even notice. Reddit user Chosen12803 says that his sister sent him the video, and he pointed out to her that whatever was in the hall was still watching her the entire time.
Ay, naka-approach mo yun. Tinitingnan niya yung buhok niya kasi gumagalaw. Kasi yun pala, meron doon sa dulo na naman. Ano talaga siya pumesto, no? Next video. AI photo bomb from beyond.
AI photobomb from beyond. So this next story requires a quick bit of explanation. So the phone app CapCut allows you to upload a small picture of a person or object, and then it uses AI to expand the background of the picture, making it larger. The AI creates an imaginary larger scene around the picture and then includes the smaller picture into the larger photo. So just to try the app out, a woman named Geneva put a small picture of her dog and cat sitting on the couch into the app. The app produced an impressive large AI background, but something about it was a bit strange. For some reason, the program added some unknown AI-generated woman into the picture.
Ay, ganon.
At first, Geneva was confused as to why the AI added some random stranger into her picture.
AI.
But as she took a closer look at the photo the AI created, she realized that the
Glitchy.
unknown woman looked almost exactly like her deceased mom.
Glitch yun. Parang glitch siguro nung ang program yung alam niyo yung CapCut. CapCut is ano yun, di ba? Editing program mo sa phone usually ginagamit sa mobile. AI na feature daw na ganun. Dadagdagan ng background yung single photo na ganun. Baka glitch. Ewan natin.
Even stranger, Geneva says that she had just had a conversation about her mom right before trying this AI photo app. So did the AI somehow tap into something supernatural? Or is it just a very bizarre coincidence? You decide. Waving goodbye.
Okay. Next video.
Proud mother Renee Brown is relaxing at home one night with her 1-year-old daughter Maya. Suddenly, the little girl starts to act very strange.
Okay, so we're at home. It's just me and my daughter tonight. I don't know what is going on, but she's acting super weird. She keeps peering over the couch, and it looks like she's looking at something. What's wrong?
So may nakikita daw yung bata. Dalawa lang sila sa bahay, yung single mom tsaka yung anak niya.
Like,
May tinitingnan yung bata.
there's literally nothing there. What are you looking at? Oh my god.
Bye. Ano, kumakaway.
Hey. Hey.
You go.
Maya, what are you waving at? Okay, this is so bizarre.
Pinapaalis yung bata.
It's like she can see something and she's scared of it.
Little Maya is upset and
May kinakausap yung bata. Para may nakikita siya.
seems to be scared of something or someone on the other side of the room. Maya even waves bye-bye to whatever she sees, seemingly hoping that it will take the hint and just leave. Concerned mom Renee says that she has no idea why her baby was acting that way. She says that little Maya has never done anything like that before or since.
Okay. May nakikita kayong bata.
I swear, I've never seen her act like that ever before. It honestly well and truly freaked me the F out. I was so scared. I was home alone.
Renee says that as far as
Anyway, next video natin, kukuha to sa CCTV. Ayun, no? May gumagalaw.
Anytime you get in the light, they disappear. So it's only when
May parang naglalakad.
it's legit.
Naglalakad.
That is a person walking.
Umuulan.
For sure is something like.
Umuulan siya. Sa kuhanan nila may naglalakad doon sa may parang parking lot.
an eerie pale translucent figure can be seen just walking from one side of the parking lot to the other.
Yun na nga. Ghost nga siguro. Parang either glitch to sa... Kasi parang ilaw lang naman siya. Or talaga meron naglalakad na ghost doon habang umuulan. So yun. Yun lang yung ating mga nakakatakot na video ngayong araw na to. Yung original link pala ng video na to, kung gusto nyo panoorin ng kompleto, eh, nandun sa baba na description box. And also, please like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell para ma-update ka sa mga susunod nating videos. Maraming salamat po. Paalam!